Hello, everyone. Welcome for today's broadcast. Let me know in the chat if you hear me and if you see me as well. Oh, good. Perfect. Thank you so much, Rams. Yeah, let's start. So, good morning, good night, or good afternoon for all the builders, developers, and innovators as well. Thank you for joining today's broadcast for the first Astar Builders Call. My name is Toma. I'm leading All of Us on BizDev initiative at Astar Foundation, and I'm your moderator today as well. Let's see our agenda today. So we are here to share exciting updates about our ecosystem and tell you more about what's going on, what our builders are building now. And yeah, since our launch on 6th of April, our Basam launch, Astar ecosystem has been bustling with energy because we aim to create a platform where developers and builders can collaborate and build the future of Basam smart contracts and EVM smart contracts as well. So yeah, I'm going to share some ecosystem updates with you today. Then our builders, it's ArtZero and Hill3 project, will share more about their progress, development, and the exciting updates as well. Moreover, we'll have a demo from ArtZero. After, our community lead Rams will talk about the latest news in our community. And by the way, it's NFT month. Just going right now, so Rams will share some updates about it as well. In the end, we'll have open for the floor for Q&A session, so you could ask any questions in the tab on the right side near the chat. You could create a question there, and I will try to follow and ask our builders or Rams, or I could answer it as well. So let's go to ecosystem updates. Right now, I want to briefly share everything that happened during the past 1 month. So first, it's Smart Contract 2.0 and now available on Subscan. You could check it by yourself. It's really cool UI dashboard. You'll see all the data, what's going on chain. A AI bot is released with a naming contest as well. You could try to use it on our Discord. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Astar RPC node is now live on Flux. So Astar RPC nodes, you could actually run by yourself. You could easily deploy your own Astar node, RPC node via Flux marketplace. In just a few steps, you could find a really good guide on the Medium about this. We get over 500 key holders in our community, so the next step will be 1 million. Let's go. One of my favorite updates this month, it's Astar Network, and now that Japan's leading potato chips and snacks company Calbee issues involving NFTs on the Astar blockchain as part of their new promotional campaign. NFT chips Calbee products can be found in thousands of retail stores across Japan, and I think it's so resonate with the most Japanese people as well. And it's still ongoing, so you could buy these chips, find some NFT part there. So it's still ongoing till the end of May, if I'm not mistaken. You could check it on our article on Medium as well. Let's go. Astar joined the first East Asia Polkadot Hackathon, so you could join it as well. It's still going till the middle of June. So you could still apply and hack with us and join our challenges. Yeah, Stellar and Polkadot ecosystem and Cosmos ecosystem as well. So now you could use S-Bridge because Cosmos ecosystem is connected to Astar Network. Any teams can create new decentralized solutions. This means it's not consensus hackathon. Sorry, I just saw the question in the chat. It's a different one. Yeah, so let's get back to Cosmos ecosystem. It means that Injective's financial apps can integrate with the institution and decentralized applications and community-led project of Astar ecosystems. So yeah, Cosmos ecosystem is connected to Astar Network now. Mandela released their NFT collection on Astar. Yeah, you could check the article on our Medium about this as well. Blue, the first ever community-driven NFT marketplace on Astar Network, is live now. Let's go to incubator updates. As we talk on the last crowdcast, Astar Foundation has pioneered an initiative to kickstart the growth of the Inc. ecosystem, together with such teams as Parity, Pala Network, BrushFam, and ArtZero. It's ongoing incubation program, and we already get a lot of the applications on auditors, builders, and ecosystem grants. So you could apply whatever you want in each tracks, but auditor track and builders track already closed for the next 2-3 months. We accept a few teams, so the next iteration will be in 3 months, but you still could apply. Ecosystem grants, it's voting happening every week, so it's pretty fast process. You could apply right now and get accepted within 1 or 2 weeks. The last one, but not least update, it's Astar Night. It will be the second Astar Night event, and it will be going on Bali in 25th of May this month. So if you're around or you're planning your trip to Bali, I think it's really cool opportunity to join us as well. Our special guest, it's Paris team. So it will be core team members of Astar Foundation, will be ambassadors, Paris team, and yeah, the capacity is limited, unfortunately. It will be just 100 people. So we will share the link to register just in a few days. So yeah, looking forward to this. I will be there, so I'll be happy to see you there as well. So welcome our builders. I want to present our first speaker. Is the marketing manager from ArtZero team. I'm just trying right now to put it on the stage. Yes. I hope it will work. Yes, welcome. Do you hear me? Yeah, but you're muted probably.
Yeah. Now, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you, Thomas. I'm very glad that I can be here in the first video school of Astar, and also we're very honored to join the ecosystem of Astar. So what I'm sharing today is probably I'm sharing a pitch deck of ArtZero here. Thomas, I think you have to stop sharing first, so I can share my my slides.
Yes, you could try to share now.
Yeah. There. Can you see?
Yes.
So yes. So I'm gonna spend some minutes to introduce about ArtZero, what we've been doing for the last more than 1 year. And then I'm gonna share, maybe spend about 5-10 minutes to show you a little bit about our platform, maybe to introduce how to create a collection, since we are an NFT marketplace. So ArtZero is the first NFT marketplace using Inc. and we launched our platform in the mainnet in ArtZero network first 2 months ago, and then last month we also managed to launch the first NFT marketplace using Ink in Astar. The story about how we came up with an NFT marketplace idea, and how we stick to that idea and create a product was that first, because we like the network, we love ArtZero, and we love Astar because of the technique, because of the speed. And then because we like NFT so much, and we think that even the size of the market is very huge, and every year we have seen a big increase in people using and in the market size. But we think that NFT is just at the very beginning stage, since we can adapt NFT in many areas, even in our real lives, not just in collectibles or in you see now singers, artists, and even financial people want to keep their want to invest they also we can use NFTs as a way to keep our to keep our finance to keep our finance status as well. So we decided to be the first team to create an NFT marketplace using Ink. And we got a lot of support from ArtZero team and now Astar's team as well. At the current status, we have managed to launch ArtZero NFT marketplace, and we also about next month we will also launch NFT yield farming called Ink Whale, and also it comes with tokens Ink Whale as well. So our final goal is to create an ArtZero as a multi-chain NFT marketplace, and now we have 2 chains here. But I think it's still at the very beginning stage, and we have to develop a lot more. We have a very comprehensive launchpad where creators can create their collection in just a click, and it comes with a lot of functions. For example, you can add whitelist, you can manage your funds, you can manage your phases with different prices and different time frame. And we try to also create an ecosystem surrounding ArtZero as well. And Ink Whale is, as an NFT yield farming, will be the first products that support ArtZero later. And also we're gonna launch an NFT incubator fund soon, so that we can support more NFT creators, especially NFTs collection with utilities that can join ArtZero. And here is the 2 links here that you can come and visit. And we also have the platform in testnet as well. So you don't need Astar in Shibuya network. So you can also use Shibuya to create new collection and try trading, try some functions there. So what we are as a team, and I think our community is most excited about ArtZero, is that our business model is focused on creating a marketplace that is community driven. Why is it community driven? Because we will have an NFT, our native NFT collection that connects to the revenue stream. So anyone that owns our own our NFT and stake our NFT in the platform can have share, and we've got a lot of streams to share, to contribute to the share that people can get. That is 30% share from the platform revenue. So, for example, the marketplace make 100, and everybody will get 30 out of it. We've also share 50% share from the validators rewards, if there is any, and also the NFT owners also get a discount of up to 90% of the trade fee if they also own and stake the NFT as well. We have not launched the NFT, our native NFT marketplace, as we call it, Dragon Samurai. We haven't launched it yet, and we try to get community get used to the platform a little bit more, warm up a little bit more before we launch it. So we will definitely announce very widely when we create one. So as one of the first developers in Inc., we also won the first prize of in the Polkadot Hackathon 2023 in Paris just last month. This is a very exciting news, because we're also very amazed, because there are quite a few developers, very well developers there. And we also got grants from Web3 as well for the NFT marketplace, and also the farm yield, the NFT farm yield as well. So here's our team. We are based mostly in Vietnam, and we are a Vietnamese team. We also have our BD in Singapore as well. Basically, our team has more than 10 people, key people, and we've been working together in this project for more than a year now. Before, we have joined, and we have been doing as outsourced business for many chains, for example, Ethereum or Polygon or Solana. But once we got into ArtZero and Astar, we decided to stay here and try to contribute to expand the ecosystem in here. So what I'm gonna show you is, I recorded a video trying to create a collection in just 2 minutes. It's very easy if you are creators to, maybe I share a video then.
Yeah, we unfortunately don't see this, so could you share the video then?
Yeah, I'm trying to, it's not running. Oh, it has to be, let me see if I can drag it in, because it doesn't allow me to drop it.
So I think you should stop sharing the screen and then share the video. Try to.
Okay. Let me see if cannot. I cannot drag it in. Okay. Or should I use it online?
Yeah, so maybe I could remove
maybe show the screen there. Here. So yeah, can you see it now?
No. Oh,
no?
Yes.
Can you
Yeah.
Can you see the? So this is Astar NFT marketplace. Here, can you see it?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
See
okay.
this.
So in order to be a creator, all you have to do is, for example, I will try to create one in simple mode. I actually, because this is mainnet, so I wouldn't actually create one in reality. But all we have to do is to fill in, the name, the symbol, the collections, and choose some image. For example, this is what I try to create an AI supinators. Yeah. And then all we have to do is to pay the fee and click on create a collection, and then wait for about 20 seconds, I think 15 to 20 seconds, and then it will come up with a collection just like this. So I mean, it's very quick, and everything's doing on chain. So you actually don't have to do to create a smart contract, a very complicated one. And then if I want to add a new NFT, for example, then all I have to do is just to put the name, put the description, insert the NFT ins, and then it's just like when we, normal process. So I can see creators have difficulties in creating their smart contracts for before they launch in a network. But in here is everything is done automatically. That's one. That's one type. That's a simple mode one. The other one. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna get back to. Can you see the slide now? Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So creators also can create a collection in advanced mode as well. So in advanced mode, maybe creators already have can launch their collection elsewhere. For example, they build a platform themselves. So on the left here is an example of CryptoPunks. They create their own platform, and then they will use our ArtZero as a secondary market to just for users to trade their NFTs. So it is able to launch a collection in advanced mode this way, or most of creators will use to create a project in the Launchpad, so everybody can mint. It comes with a lot of functions. For example, it comes with a lot of choices for phases and time, and you can also add a list of whitelist people that airdrop people free, or you can also even try to sell bunk as for example, people buy a lot and you got a reduction for them. You can also add them on whitelist as well. You can manage your fund, withdraw it anytime, and there are a lot more functions that you can use to create a project in the Launchpad as well. So I think it's a very basic, but we try to create a marketplace with simple but comprehensive functions for everybody to use. So non-tech people can also use it. So I would love if you can come in. Our code is also public here. as a link in GitHub here, if you can see it. Also, we would love to everybody to come and say hi, and also try some functions in the platform, and also join some of our groups in the community link here. And any questions or any support, you can also contact me as in the Telegram here as well. Yeah, so this is the end of my part here. I got a question here, says what server infrastructure is used to store the raw data. I think I'm going to pass this because since I'm in marketing, so I've no idea. I don't know well about the infrastructure and all the codes and that sort of things. I'm going to send the question here to our team. And if you can you just ping me in Telegram, and I will pass the right connection to you to answer that.
Yeah, we could just post your handle on Telegram.
Yes.
Here in the chat, and
yes.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your speech. It was really interesting, and even the video, we didn't get the demo, but I think it was pretty clear how to do that. But I think we could post this video on our Astar Builder chat as well, so everyone could check it after the crowdcast.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It was really useful. Thank you. Sweet. So we could move forward to our next speaker. It's Shinua, co-founder and CEO of Health3. I will give me a second to invite him to the stage. Please accept the invitation. Oh,
Hi.
Hello, you're here with us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm looking forward to your talk, so you could talk more about what Health3 is doing, what your updates, what you're building, and why Astar, and what is upcoming things as well. It's your turn.
Okay. Please wait. Please wait. How should I share by?
Yeah, you could share your screen.
Wait.
It's speaker, video, and share something. Then you could share the screen, slides, or video.
Please wait. Please wait up. Okay. Got it. Can you see my screen?
Yes, it works. Perfect.
Okay, thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm CEO of Health3. I'm Ray. So it's first time to come as that call. Very exciting for me. Our company Health3 was established June 2022 in Singapore. From then, we reaching. I met technology and token economics. I felt that this technology changed people's health habit and people who have good health. That's how it was founded. Okay. I will talk our company's basic information. We create healthy and wealthy to use token economics. To make economics that people can earn tokens by continuing to engage in health activities. We create gamification, make people appear to be very healthy and make it a service that be used by more and more people. Okay. Health3 is a healthcare blockchain game on Astar chain. Users can earn tokens by performing 3 health activities such as exercise, sleep, and eating on a regular basis. Users complete and cooperate with other users, such as through the mission function. We were fundraising from several VC and companies, and we are chosen and supported by Microsoft. Okay, in this thread. So Health3 app was released on the end of last month. After that, we got many users and various records. So only a specific time period, we got #1 unique active wallet and transaction volume on Astar Chain's game category and Twitter trend. We appreciate our user we call Pioneer, and we will do our best to make it more enjoyable. Next. User can play 2 activities. First is a regular basis function. Users by recording your health activities, you can basis on NFT status. Is ready. Second function. Users can join our mission. Users can join mission to pay our tokens UHT. So the mission's detail was to run or walk over over 20 kilometers in 1 week. If you clear the mission, you can get more tokens. If you didn't clear mission, you lost tokens. You use your to use your own tokens. You can get strong mode. These features and move we offer a enjoyable and exciting application experience. We recently released the community quest function. Not only we also built our community. To build that, we released community quest function. If users clear quest, we have an event, so please look forward to it. We have solved our search in this short time. We have created 5 steps. We have already released open our submit the application form to the Astar forum. We're voting us. After that, so we collect the company's spread for thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your talk. I think we had some difficulty with the connection, but it was really interesting. If we'll have any questions from the audience, but if you could be here and still check the chat as well, maybe some question will come up there. It would be nice. And thank you so much, Ray. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good. Now it's time for community updates, and I hope Rams is here with us. Yeah. Oh, cool, Rams.
Hey everyone. Thank you, Toma. I'm going to go ahead and share my slides. Okay, for the community updates today. One second. We want to start off. Hold on a second. We want to start off by saying congratulations to our new Astar ambassadors. We are growing as a family of ambassadors, and now for the last almost 2 years, we have a steady group. So congratulations to Matt and Disruptor, and of course, Squaja. Sorry if I mispronounced that. And if you're interested as well, our new ambassador program have gone through all the steps necessary to demonstrate their contributions to Astar and their continued support of the whole ecosystem. Feel free to check out, and I'll put the link in the chat, our Astar Flight Club. So a little bit about the Astar Flight Club. It is a Telegram group. That's how we begin, where we demonstrate and show what our contributions are. So we get support from the other ambassadors, the All-Star ambassadors that have been here for quite a while. There's also support from the Astar team itself. We have many of the leadership core team members inside this Telegram group, just constantly watching and supporting where needed. So if you're interested in being an ambassador, please feel free to check out that Notion page. It'll explain the structure, as well as has links to all the communities in different languages. We have 11 plus Astar Telegram groups for different language. And so take a look at it if you're interested. On the builder side of our community, we've extended our DApp staking feature to not just native teams here at Astar and Shiden, but also outside our ecosystem. One of those teams being from Kusama, a popular project called Kusama Kingdom, and they created a DApp called the Royal Raffle that would be on the EVM side. So together with their dev from Fala network, they created this DApp in order to incentivize staking as well. And a similar DApp and co-collaborating together as well is one from our ambassador and tech ambassador, Guiguo, from France. He created a Lucky, also similar raffle DApp on the WASM side. So both these teams have built out their DApp, both in different languages, to showcase what Astar is all about, the dual virtual machine nature of it. So feel free to check those out as they deploy on our network, and check out our forum where they propose these the DApp listing, so you could see the conversation. And if you're interested as well in our DApp staking feature at Astar, as a builder, as a community, so on, feel free to reach out. You could always reach out to me or Toma here, or any of the team in our Discord. Another amazing update, and one I'm personally really excited about, is the ongoing collaboration with Near Week. Near Week, with their huge following, 30K, I believe, is the official newsletter for Near. So I think they're already on 100 plus continuous weeks of newsletter. And this is exciting, not just because of the exposure to other users, but there's more to this than meets the eye. It's a collaboration to cross-pollinate users and builders. So we're consistently talking to Near Week and the team there, and hoping to create widgets later on actual builds that help connect the Near ecosystem to the Astar and Polkadot ecosystem as well. So Astar being the gate to Polkadot for Near, and the other way around as well. Hopefully, this can bring multiple, real builds with real use cases to connect our users. So keep a eye on our socials and follow Nearwork as well, as you could see them writing articles about Astar, and hopefully soon we could be co-writing articles together and talking about this multi-chain aspect to this collaboration. And another exciting update from our tech ambassadors, another builder, Carlos Rodriguez from Medellin, Colombia. He has created a weekly workshop for Astar that's happening this rest of this month, every weekend, teaching about Rust, teaching about WebAssembly, Polkadot as their layer 0, and Astar as our layer 1 in the blockchain hub. So thanks, Carlos, if you're listening. The first event that happened last weekend gathered more than 30 people at the workshop, online and in person, and they will be creating actual builds by the end of the workshop that will be deployed on Astar Network. So this is inspirational, not just to me, but for the rest of the team here at Astar, and as well as the ambassadors, as we try to leverage our ambassadors and their knowledge and reach new markets. So if you're in the Latin American area, feel free to reach out as well. Bienvenidos, estoy para ayudarte, and let's build together. Thank you, everybody. Those are the community updates on the builder side, and hope to continue this wonderful journey together.
Thank you so much. I love that you mentioned let's build together. I think it was the whole message that we want to send to our audience today and builders as well. Let's continue to build and build our ecosystem and create and more projects. So yeah, we just want to say thank you to everyone who joined us today. My pleasure, and I hope to see you on the next Crowdcast or Twitter Spaces as well. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you to our builders who attend today's Crowdcast, ArtZero and Health3. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.